Okay, let's start the trade focus for this week, 20th April to 24th April. So the whole week, based on the forest calendar, only quite a major news is like for UK, the CPI news. So other than that, this UK news, other than that, the rest is normal and tradable, no major news. So okay, UK 100 CPI new and Aussie no news for S&P 500 and Nasdaq. US here is just a normal news, but unless in this coming week got any update news from Middle East conflict, is there any war like Iran and US, any update, the market will be moving. So we send all the US indices are relying on the current war situation rather than this forest calendar news. Okay, so only UK news to be taken note on the Wednesday 2 p.m. So Wednesday the London open session, maybe have to be careful about this UK indices. Then take a look on the chart. Start with the S&P 500. Okay, so S&P 500 go to daily chart. So as the last week, the whole week, Monday to Friday, every day is a bullish day. So keep on prices going high. So the last week, the whole week is a bullish week, and then created 4 daily gap. So 4 daily gap is showing the market is really strong, and then the market is break through the previous all-time high since early of this year. So it's early this January, this all-time highs. The last week got breakthrough. So now is current new all-time high as the 7185 level. So this is currently is a new high, new all-time high. So this is all last week that created all the bullish gap. So to 4 hours. So for this coming week, so far I don't have the trading zone for this S&P 500 because market is very bullish, and I got no chance to chase the market unless market will be coming to any of this area. So I'm expecting this area is important because this daily gap is overlapping with the previous all-time high level. So in case market really want to do some correction or retrace, so this is a good level. Maybe market can be retraced to here, then maybe a lot of buyer will be around here. So this is the very important level. If really this level can hold, market won't be retraced and bounce from this level. Unless this level really cannot hold, maybe is there any bad news that coming out? So if break this level, so its market will be really not the correction. Maybe market will be going to downside, break through all those gap and reach to this below weekly gap. So this is just for two possible option. Market can be just retrace correction to 4 hour gap and then make a new all-time high again for coming week. Or is, let's say, it's a bad news is coming, is that maybe is the market will be retest this level, the previous all-time high level, and then cannot hold, the market will be break all the way down. So this is all two scenario. So go and take a look at the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is similar to S&P 500, but only thing is Nasdaq is just reaching to the all-time high. So ES S&P 500 is already break the previous all-time high and creating, but Nasdaq is last week same whole week. Nasdaq also bullish week. So it's all the daily candle is all bullish. Also create the 4 daily gap. So every day they keep on going up. So now is for Nasdaq, the price is just reached to previous all-time high level, like it's last year November. So this is a previous all-time high. So same thing for the Nasdaq. I don't have any zone for trade, especially price is reaching to this all-time high. I will be step back and wait for some market develop. System market really want to some retracement and break through the new level, or maybe Monday tomorrow open straight away go through, break through all-time high and keep going higher. So if really market is keep going higher and higher, so I don't have to chance to chase the market. So for US, this S&P 500 and Nasdaq have to be no trading zone yet based on the current situation. Okay, let's go to Aussie 200. Okay, Aussie 200 is the same as the last week focus zone, because the last week, the whole week, Aussie 200 is arranging the whole week in this in between of daily gap and daily rejection high. So this is since the last week I already marked out, but the whole week, the whole week the market is just ranging inside these two level. So it's this zone is still the valid for buying zone. I hope this week market will be break above this daily rejection high and close inside this zone. That I will be monitoring for entry. So for Aussie 200, we have the buy zone. Quite interesting. I believe should be going up because all the US indices are already reached to the all-time high. So it's Aussie 200 also same. It's going to reach to the previous all-time high. So this is a quite interesting buy zone for this week. Go to UK 100. Same situation with Aussie 200. Last week, the whole week, market is ranging in between of this daily rejection high level and daily rejection low. So the market did not break any of this level. So on top, this is the buy zone, and the below this is a sell zone. Is stay valid for this week. Potential maybe is the buy zone. So it's let's say Monday or Tuesday, market will be break above and close inside this zone is looking for buy opportunity. So only for this UK have to take note is a Wednesday got the CPI news. So is anything the setup appear on Wednesday before London open. So have to be careful and maybe wait for wide market to be stabilized. Okay, that's all for this week.